What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the Turbo XS front mount intercooler for the 2013 Genesis Coupe. I'm gonna make a separate video of me actually installing it, but yeah, we're just gonna be unboxing it. I'm pretty excited. I've been waiting for this for a couple of weeks now, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, so opening this up, there's like this black foam piece that's covered on it, which is good, and everything else is in separate boxes, which is also kind of nice. Look like two separate boxes. I'm pretty sure the bigger one's gonna have like all the piping and the core and the crash bar maybe, but yeah, let's open this all up and I'm gonna lay it down all right here. All right, so opening up this smaller box, right here is gonna be the actual core. I had these rubber things, but I guess they're not even on it. I guess it like ended up ripping through the box, but yeah, this is the core. Hold on, I'm gonna lay this down so you guys can see. Damn, okay, that looks pretty clean. There's that. I am gonna do like a comparison of when I take that one off compared to like the old compared to the new core, and damn, bro, I'm excited. All right, so I'm guessing what's gonna be here is the piping and the crash bar, because the Turbo XS comes with the new crash bar that goes around right there, replaces the old crash bar. But yeah, let's open this one and open up the piping. Yeah, opening up the bigger box, got it open. Has some more paper covering up the piping, and yeah, here's all the piping. Dang, this is so sick, bro. I like how it's like a one long piece, so shouldn't be difficult to install. And here's like, they have like the power steering relocating stuff. What is this? Oh, it's just my order number, I guess. And yeah, here's all like the rubber couplers that I'm gonna need. Some hoses, I guess. And yeah, here's like a crash bar. Oh shit, this is actually kind of heavy. All right, I'm gonna actually lay this down and then I'm gonna show you guys everything. All right, guys, so here's everything laid out. There's the pipes, the core, the crash bar right there, and it's pretty cool. They came with like the paper that shows like all the parts that came in the packaging, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's coming with a whole new crash bar, so it can mount right onto the core, and yeah, it should look pretty sick. The only thing I'm kind of worried about is just because I have this mesh grill bumper, and as you can see, it's like already like the mesh grill's already hitting the crash bar, so I don't know if this one's gonna be thicker or thinner, and then I don't know if the bumper's gonna fit good after if I install it. The other thing is I don't see like a paper how to install everything, so I am gonna have to kind of like wing it and kind of see how to install it, but it doesn't seem like it's too hard. It seems like it's just taking out the old stuff, which is just like the pipes that go through here, and take off the throttle body, and then yeah, hopefully it's not too difficult. I might have to move some stuff around, like the intake. I might have to move that, like the heat shield, and like I have the throttle body spacer, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing. It's not like a lot of parts, but yeah, this should help with power. I am gonna be running the bigger turbo. I'm gonna be running a bigger turbo, so this is definitely gonna help with that. I bought this from the Turbo XS website for like $800 and something. I could have gotten it with another like third-party website to get in a little bit cheaper, but I just wanted to go all out with the Turbo XS to make sure everything was in the packaging. So, but yeah, that should be it for this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more content, and yeah.